want to introduce you to our demo van. So we built this van to live on site and to show off basically what you're getting and what we do if you were to book in and use us. So T6.1, obviously it's our most common van that we work on, so we thought it's the best platform to use and show off what it is we do. So I thought we'd do a quick little run through video, just sort of nose to tail, little bits and pieces on it, just stuff that we've done just to make it stand out and different, but also stuff that you'll be able to come down and get hands on, because it's one thing looking at a photo or getting an email saying like, oh yeah, this is the product. Sometimes it's nice to actually get your hands on it, see how it works, see if it's usable and work out if it's for you or not. So starting off at the front, we've got upgraded headlights. These are the Transport HQ headlights, really popular upgrade in these vans, even for the older models like T5s up to 6.1s. Really good bits of kit, very popular as well, so it made sense to throw them on. Then we've got the gloss black sort of exterior upgrade that we do. Again, that's a really popular package with us. The sort of gloss black look takes it from that commercial style, sort of almost van-like, to feeling a bit more high-end, a bit more like a car. But because this is our demo van and we are QT, it is obviously black and red. So a little bit A-teamy as well, something a little bit different, but also make it stand out on the front. So gloss black package around there. Coming around to the side, we've got the sequential indicators in there. Again, really nice popular upgrade. We've got a set of 20-inch wheels on this. We've lowered the van as well, just on lowering springs. Nothing too fancy, just a set of springs. Really common upgrade. You're not going down that hard route of coilovers or anything like that. Again, with the black and red theme, put a stripe down the side of our logos on it, and I couldn't help myself but painting the calipers, because what opportunity do I get to do that? So I did that as well. Plus it's about 20 brake horsepower in it. Coming around on the side and going into the van, obviously it features a Skyline pop top as well whilst we're here. This is an Aurora pop top. We're a Skyline fitter as well as Odds tops. Really popular roof. So again, we've used all the popular products that we sell basically, because why not? We do the most of them, so we might as well showcase it. So this has got the scenic canvas in it, bright red canvas as well, bifold bed with the hatch. So if you are interested in a pop top and you want to know what they look like or feel like, especially standing in it, getting that height preference over a bifold and a normal bed, you can do that with this van. So coming around to the inside, we've got some nice little treats and bits and pieces in here as well. It features a full leather upgrade. So this van was a panel van, now been converted to a combi using factory products, and the seats have all been upholstered by DK Leather. DK Leather do all of our upholstery on all of the vans, so if you ever see a van that's not got the standard seats in it, chances are it was done by us and DK. They're the best in the business, everybody uses them. It just makes sense really. So show them off in the demo van. We've got nice lovely sort of toys and electrics in it. So we've got a full lithium off-grid system in here. We've got a big inverter, Victron over in the wall, so you've got 230 power off-grid. Also audio upgrade as well. Trying to remember everything. So we've got a nice Alderson and Hertz system in here. Features a set of pillars up the front there built by Plush. Really nice little option just to frame the window a little bit different. It's got a whopping great big 12-inch sub in the back, upgraded door pillars, and the whole van features our 5-stage sound deadening and lining package. So the whole van has been sound deadened, thermoed, insulated, ply and then carpeted. And also it features a Caravelle style diesel heater, so that different sort of option. We've got other videos on diesel heaters, but this features one. So even if you want to see a heater, play around with it, know what a comfort controller is, stuff like that, this is all set up ready for that. Coming around to the back of the van, it features our van pod system. Again, another reason why we built this van was to show off the van pod, what it is, what you get. So you can come down, have a look at this, get your hands on it, feel it, play around with it. And then a nice lovely set of QT logos in the pillars there. Couldn't help myself, it's our van, got to logo it up. And lots of nice fancy LED colour changing lights as well. So you can turn this thing into a really cool party bus, light it all up. And not only that though, it is a usable van. Lucky enough to have been away in it, spend a night in it. It is a fantastic van to use. It works, it's here to show off. So please, if there's anything that you want from us, even if you just want to see how we carpet a van, come down, you know where to find us, have a butcher's at it, get your hands on it and just see it really. And hopefully it can impress you enough to book in with us. Or if not, it'll give you an idea of what you want in your van and where you want to go with it. So any questions, queries, anything like that, know where we are, you know who we are, get in touch, and hopefully I've not missed anything and we can help you out and you've enjoyed watching us.